how you can make underline hover effect in Figma. So we're gonna create our new frame like this, and here add a text. You can press T on your keyboard and type here something, for example, menu. This is our first object, and now we want to add a rectangle and add a simple line under your menu. Make sure it's selected, and we're gonna change the color. I want the black color, for example, and we want to make it thinner. So go to H and reduce it to 1 or 2 like you want. And also you can add the corner radius 25, I prefer, and it's gonna be like this. Now we want to select both objects, right click and add an auto layout. Now I want to reduce the gap. So in auto layout, here is the gap and you can reduce it. Now we want to select only the line, the underline, and move it like this one. You can do it like you want, like you prefer. So now this is our underline text. We're gonna click that. Let me crop this. And we're gonna right click and create a component. And in the right upper corner area, we want to add a new variant. So now we have 2 variants. Now what we're gonna do is to double tap the line, and we want to crop it like this. So to 1 pixel, it's gonna be 1 by 1 like this. And if you have it selected, go to filament and reduce the transparency to 0. It's not visible, but it's here. Now we want to select the first menu, double click it, go to prototype and grab this little plus and move it to our final component or variant. And we want to change the trigger on while hovering. Action, make sure it's changed to variant, which is the name of this menu, and the animation, select the smart animation, and you can change the animation. I prefer ease in, and I'm gonna close this. Now we are almost finished. I want to go to assets and grab our menu to our frame like this. Now I want to preview that. Make sure to select that frame, go to preview and wait until it's loaded. And if we hover our mouse on our menu bar, this is gonna be the actual effect. So it's the underline hovering effect. And if you, for example, want to make another ones, you can copy it and paste it. Go to preview, and if you hover your mouse on the top of that, it's gonna underline that section. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.